Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorials how to create or how to make a group chat on Instagram. So here I already have my Instagram open. So first thing we're gonna do is just go into the direct message sections over here on the right upper corner, and then just click to open it. And now you just need to click the pencil symbol here to start the new message. Now you can add your friends account here, as many as you can, and as what you want to invite. For me, I want to invite two I want to invite two of my friends. Okay, after you finish inviting your friends, just simply click this create group chat, and then after that you will be generated into the room that is consisting you and your friends, and you can start have conversations with them by typing and say hi first. Click send. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.